216. The frequency of a bandwidth that is designated 2K40 is 2K40 means 2K4. It becomes 2K4. So that means 2400 edges equivalent to delta is the right option. The figure in a receiver's specification which indicates its sensitivity is the RF input signal needed to achieve a given signal plus noise ratio. This is the correct option. 218. The maximum percentage of modulation permitted in the use of radio telephony by an ham station is 100%. You cannot pump more power than 100%. Otherwise, it leads to distortion. What is the meaning of the Q signal QRS? QRS means send slowly. Send more slowly. Delta is the right option. 220. What is the meant by receiver overload? Overload means interference caused by strong signals from a nearby transmitter. So delta is the right option. The wavelength corresponding to a frequency of 2 megahertz is. So to find out the wavelength, there is a formula. So it is a constant 300 by frequency in megahertz. You will get the wavelength. So it becomes 150 meter. 150 meter. Here in the answer is Bravo. In digital communication, FSK stands for frequency shift keying. Charlie is the right option. VHF radio band extends from 30 to 300 megahertz. What are RST signal reports? A short way to describe signal reception. Bravo is the right option. The emission designated as J3 stands for suppressor carrier. Charlie is the right option.